Hey, my name is Raymond and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I bought a portable washing machine off of Amazon. I'm going to put it together and show you guys how it works. So let's get started. I did research on this product before I bought it. I got a fine mesh bag to hold the lint, and I got a bucket just in case the hose doesn't fit on my faucets. And I got an additional stand for the portable washing machine. If you'd like to purchase any of these Amazon products, the links will be down in my description. The ZENY Portable Washing Machine is packaged very well. The accessories within the ZENY Portable Washing Machine is a hose, a disc for the clothes, and a filter for the lint. In the back of the portable washing machine, there is a hose where the water and lint comes out of. The settings on this portable washing machine is wash time, standard, soft, drain, and spin timer. Within the wash timer, I'm going to show you the standard and soft settings. The standard setting washes for about 10 seconds, pauses for 2 seconds, and then washes for another 10 seconds. The soft setting washes for about 8 seconds and pauses for around 8 seconds. The spin dryer and the disc work hand to hand. Once you open the spin dry side, it immediately stops. It's a great safety feature if you have children. The water lines are low, medium, and high. You guys know I like to use a lot of soap when washing my clothes. I suggest using 2 to 3 tablespoons of soap. I needed to clean out the system before I used it anyway, so it worked out in my favor. After weeks of using this product, I figured out a way to connect the hose to the shower head. So I'm washing 10 pillowcases. I like to have a lot of pillows on my bed. This is my first time washing my pillowcases in the portable washing machine. What I realized is dryer sheets leave a lot of film on clothing, so I started air drying most of my laundry. Within this portable washing machine, I started going all natural using white vinegar and baking soda to wash my clothes, and Bronner's peppermint soap for the scent. If you overfill past the water line, there's a slot where the water filtrates out of the spin dryer to the hose. This ZENY Portable Washing Machine definitely cleans my clothes better than my community washroom. The spin dryer also is pretty effective. Make sure to level out your clothes within the spin dryer. If you don't level out your spin dryer, it will become unbalanced. The fabric is literally bone dry. I can just hang it up around my house and it dries within 2 hours. If you have any questions about the ZENY Portable Washing Machine, comment down below and I'll answer your questions. If you'd like to purchase the ZENY Portable Washing Machine, the links will be down in my description. I hope you have a great rest of your day, but in the meantime, peace.